Understanding, Screwed Over by Life, a comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase in English, screwed over by life. This phrase captures feelings and situations that many of us can relate to at some point in our lives. Our goal is to break it down for you, so you can understand its meaning, use it correctly, and even express your own experiences more vividly in English. Screwed over by life is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone feels they have been treated unfairly or harshly by life circumstances beyond their control. This phrase suggests a sense of frustration and helplessness, where the person believes life has given them a raw deal or bad luck, often despite their best efforts. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. A person who has worked hard their entire life but faces financial ruin due to unforeseen events, like a natural disaster or a sudden illness, might say they feel screwed over by life. Someone who experiences a series of unfortunate events, like losing a job shortly after going through a breakup, might describe their situation with this phrase. These examples highlight how the phrase is used to express a deep sense of injustice and misfortune, emphasizing the role of external forces in one's difficulties. When using screwed over by life, it's important to understand its emotional weight. It's a strong expression that conveys a significant level of distress or frustration. Here are a few tips on using it. Be mindful of the context. This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends or people who understand your situation. Express empathy. If someone says they feel screwed over by life, showing understanding and compassion is crucial. Combine with personal stories. Sharing personal experiences can make your use of the phrase more relatable and impactful. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be screwed over by life, and how you can use this phrase to express complex feelings of frustration and unfairness. English is rich with expressions that capture the breadth of human experience, and learning them can enhance your ability to communicate and empathize with others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.